Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word percent. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I received a discount of 25% off my purchase at the store. Percent is a term used to express a portion of something in relation to a total, with 100% representing the whole or complete amount. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.